Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world. It is not just a concept from science fiction anymore. It is a reality that is transforming every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is making a significant impact. It is making things faster and smarter. In factories, AI is optimizing production lines, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency. In cities, AI is managing traffic, improving public services, and enhancing security. AI is in our phones, cars, and homes. Our smartphones use AI to provide us with personalized recommendations and virtual assistants. Autonomous vehicles are becoming more common, promising safer and more efficient transportation. Smart home devices are making our lives more convenient and connected. By 2025, AI will be even more powerful. We can expect advancements in robotics, healthcare, and many other fields. AI will continue to evolve, bringing new possibilities and challenges. This essay will explore how AI can help us in our everyday lives. From simplifying mundane tasks to providing advanced solutions to complex problems, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. AI is already doing amazing things. It is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Breakthroughs in AI technology are opening up new frontiers in science, medicine, and engineering. It helps doctors diagnose diseases. It powers self-driving cars. In healthcare, AI is assisting in early detection and treatment of illnesses, improving patient outcomes. On the roads, AI is making transportation safer and more efficient. It even helps us find our favorite songs online. Music streaming services use AI to curate playlists and recommend new music based on our preferences, enhancing our listening experience. As AI grows, it will create new jobs and opportunities. The job market is evolving, with new roles emerging in AI development, data analysis, and other tech-driven fields. It will also change how we work and live. AI tools are enhancing productivity and enabling remote work, transforming traditional workplaces and lifestyles. This essay will answer some important questions. How will AI impact our future? What are the potential risks and benefits? How can we prepare for an AI-driven world? How will AI change our jobs? Automation and AI integration are reshaping industries, leading to new career paths and opportunities. What will our homes and cities look like with AI? Smart homes and AI-driven urban planning are creating more efficient, sustainable, and livable environments. How can we use AI responsibly and ethically? As AI becomes more prevalent, it is crucial to address ethical considerations and ensure responsible development and usage. Let's explore the exciting world of AI and how it will shape our future. The journey into AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Some people worry that AI will take away jobs. This is partly true. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked a lot of debates and concerns about the future of employment. Many fear that machines and algorithms will replace human workers, leading to widespread job losses and economic instability. This anxiety is understandable, given the rapid advancements in AI technology. AI can do some tasks faster and cheaper than humans. For instance, in manufacturing, robots can assemble products with precision and speed that humans can't match. In data entry, AI can process vast amounts of information in seconds, reducing the need for human intervention. These efficiencies are driving businesses to adopt AI solutions at an unprecedented rate. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks in factories or offices. This includes everything from sorting and packaging goods to managing inventory and even handling customer service inquiries. By taking over these mundane tasks, AI allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. However, AI will also create many new jobs. As AI technology evolves, new industries and roles are emerging. These include positions in AI development, maintenance, and oversight. The demand for skilled professionals who can work alongside AI systems is growing rapidly. Companies will need people who can design, build, and maintain AI systems. This means there will be a surge in demand for engineers, data scientists, and AI specialists. These professionals will be crucial in ensuring that AI systems are efficient, ethical, and aligned with business goals. These jobs will require new skills and training. Educational institutions and companies will need to invest in training programs to equip the workforce with the necessary skills. This includes not only technical skills, but also soft skills like problem solving and critical thinking. There will be a high demand for AI specialists. These experts will play a key role in developing and managing AI technologies. Their expertise will be essential in navigating the complexities of AI and ensuring its successful integration into various sectors. Moreover, AI will change the nature of existing jobs. Many roles will evolve to incorporate AI tools, making tasks more efficient and less time-consuming. Employees will need to adapt to these changes and learn how to work effectively with AI. AI can help humans work more efficiently. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up time for employees to engage in more meaningful and strategic work. This can lead to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Doctors can use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately. AI can analyze medical data and identify patterns that might be missed by human eyes, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. This can significantly improve patient outcomes and revolutionize healthcare. Teachers can use AI to personalize lessons for each student. AI can assess individual learning styles and needs, providing customized educational experiences. This can help students learn more effectively and at their own pace. AI will become a powerful tool that enhances human capabilities. It will augment our abilities, allowing us to achieve more than we could on our own. The collaboration between humans and AI has the potential to drive innovation and progress in various fields. The key to thriving in the age of AI is to adapt and learn new skills. Continuous learning and flexibility will be essential in navigating the changing job landscape. Those who embrace these changes will find new opportunities and career paths. By embracing lifelong learning, we can prepare ourselves for the jobs of the future. Staying curious and open to new knowledge will enable us to stay relevant and competitive in an AI-driven world. The future of work is not just about technology, but also about our ability to adapt and grow. AI is not just for scientists and engineers. It's already making our daily lives easier and more convenient. Smart homes use AI to adjust the temperature, lighting, and security systems. AI assistants like Siri and Alexa can answer our questions, play music, and even order groceries. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatment plans. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in performing complex operations with greater precision. AI is also transforming entertainment and transportation. Streaming services use AI to recommend movies and shows based on our preferences. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. The future of work is not about humans versus AI. It's about a harmonious integration where both can thrive together. It's about humans and AI working together, leveraging each other's strengths to achieve more than either could alone. AI can handle repetitive and data-heavy tasks with precision and speed, freeing up humans for more creative and strategic work. This allows people to focus on what they do best, innovating, strategizing, and bringing new ideas to life. This collaboration will lead to increased productivity and innovation, as each party complements the other. Imagine a team of designers working on a new product. They can brainstorm and sketch initial concepts, while AI can analyze market trends and customer preferences to suggest design ideas that are more likely to succeed. Human designers can then use their creativity and intuition to refine those ideas and create something truly special, blending data-driven insights with human ingenuity. AI can also help us break down language barriers, making it easier for teams from different parts of the world to collaborate. AI-powered translation tools can facilitate communication between people who speak different languages, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This opens up new opportunities for global collaboration, allowing companies to tap into a diverse talent pool from around the world. By embracing AI as a partner, we can create a more efficient and innovative workplace. Together, humans and AI can unlock new levels of efficiency, creativity, and innovation, transforming the way we work and achieve our goals. Section 5. The power and responsibility of AI. AI is a powerful tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. One important consideration is bias. AI systems are trained on data, And if that data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. For example, an AI system trained on job applications from a predominantly male industry might unfairly disadvantage female applicants. It's crucial to address bias in AI systems to ensure fairness and equality. We need to develop guidelines and regulations for responsible AI development and deployment. Transparency and accountability are essential. Section 6. Learning AI, your first steps. Learning about AI is no longer just for computer scientists. There are many resources available for anyone who wants to understand this transformative technology. Online courses, tutorials, and books can help you gain a basic understanding of AI concepts. Start by exploring free online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy. These courses cover the fundamentals of AI, including machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. You can also experiment with AI tools and platforms. Google AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and Amazon Web Services all offer AI services that you can use to build your own AI applications. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. The best way to learn AI is by doing. Section 7. AI and creativity, a powerful partnership. Some people believe that AI will replace human creativity. However, AI can actually enhance and amplify human creativity in many ways. For example, AI can generate music, art, and even poetry. While AI-generated content might not always be considered true art, it can inspire human artists and help them overcome creative blocks. AI tools can also assist artists in their creative process. For example, AI can help graphic designers create variations of a logo or assist musicians in composing new melodies. Section 8. The future with AI, a world of possibilities. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. In healthcare, AI can accelerate drug discovery, improve disease diagnosis, and personalize treatment plans. In environmental science, AI can help us monitor climate change, optimize resource management, and develop sustainable solutions. AI can also enhance education and accessibility. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences for students of all abilities. AI-powered assistive technologies can empower people with disabilities to live more independently. The future with AI is full of possibilities. By embracing AI's potential while addressing its challenges, we can create a brighter future for all. Section 9. Conclusion: embrace the future. AI is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. By 2025, AI will be even more integrated into our lives, changing the way we work, learn, and interact with the world around us. While AI presents challenges, it also offers tremendous opportunities. By embracing lifelong learning, adapting to new technologies, and using AI responsibly, we can harness its power to create a better future. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Let's embrace the possibilities of AI and shape a future that benefits all of humanity.